In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your LED sign using ViPlex Express to connect to the internal Wi-Fi that's being broadcasted by the sign. So the first thing you want to do before you get started is to make sure you have ViPlex Express installed on your computer. Once you have the ViPlex Express installed, then you're going to go over to your Wi-Fi settings. And then you're going to be looking for a network called AP, and there's going to be a series of numbers that follow. So AP 1000. So in this case, it's AP 106034. But your number may be a little bit different. What will be similar though is that it will start with that AP 1000 and then that number. All right, so go ahead and connect to the AP 1000. You should already have your password, depending on when you purchased your sign. If it was prior to 2024, then that's a different password. If it's very recent, then it's again a different password, which you should have already have. So go ahead and hit connect to the network. One thing to keep in mind is that this network is the backup network, right? So this antenna is literally inside the sign. So you're not going to have like a big range for connecting to this network. So you have to be relatively close to the sign to go ahead and connect to it. If you're looking for the longer range, then you want to make sure you're using the PoE antennas that we provided, which gives you that extended range. And with those antennas, instead of looking for the AP network, what you're looking for instead is the SignCity network. And again, you should have the password that you need to connect to that. So once you are connected to the AP network, then you can go ahead and open up your ViPlex Express. So we'll go to ViPlex. All right, so we're waiting for that ViPlex to load. And then once it opens, you'll notice here, you can see that I am connected, I'm logged in. And if you look here, if this is your first time connecting to the ViPlex, you'll see that there are a few options listed here, which shows you if you've ever connected to the sign before, then you'll have this this gray icon if you've connected before but you're no longer connected. So if you see here, I've connected to a lot of players, right? So you can see the gray icons there. If you're connected but you're not logged into the player, then it's going to have this orange status. And then once you have logged into the player, so if you're not logged in, you'll have connect right here. So notice I'm logged in, so it gives me the option to log out. But once you have logged in, then you should be online. So then your status should match this icon here, which is that green, which you can see there. It's pretty similar. If you open your player and you verify that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, but you're not seeing anything, then you just want to go ahead and hit the refresh icon over here so it checks again. You can see it went from not logged in. Because I've logged in previously, it's gonna log me in automatically. So right there, you can see that I am connected to that device right there. So just to recap, to connect to your sign, you wanna go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi. If you're using the SignCity, you don't have to be as close. If you're using the internal source, that internal Wi-Fi that it broadcasts, then you wanna make sure you're close enough to the sign. Look for that AP network, go ahead and connect to it. Then open ViPlex Express, hit the refresh. If it shows that you are connected but not logged in, go ahead and log in. Just put your username and password, which again, you should have your username and password. Go ahead and log in. And then once you are logged in, then you should see your status there. And if you need assistance, you can always reach out to us at 866-343-4011 or visit our website at ledsigncity.com and select the support desk in that top right corner. Thank you.